Keto, after being on the front lines of the pandemic, UC San Diego resident physicians feel their current working conditions threaten their physical well-being.
After taking concerns to hospital administrators, a fair contract has not been signed.
News 8's Dana Marie McNichol was at the UC San Diego Health Jacobs Medical Center, where a protest took place today.
Earlier today, we heard resident physicians asking for fair treatment, but most importantly, a livable wage. They're looking for UCSD officials to agree on a contract where they can take care of patients while taking care of themselves.
Come on, UCSD!
We put our lives on the line for the last 18 months. Now we are asking hospital administration to protect us.
UCSD resident physicians feel exploited by hospital administrators who refuse to negotiate a fair contract.
It is deeply disheartening to know that we're not being paid fairly.
When I say physician, you say wellness. Physician!
A protest was held by doctors who were asking for access to food, enough sleep, and well-being. A resident is a medical school graduate and doctor in training.
They have increased their budget for corporate administrators 113% in the past 5 years, while only increasing their budget for essential healthcare workers 19%.
One by one, they communicated their concerns. Sean Lee is a 6-year plastic surgery resident advocating for his colleagues.
I'm personally aware of residents who cannot afford to buy hospital cafeteria food, and another who is potentially facing eviction because they can't afford to pay rent.
We worked 80 to 100 hours a week without overtime pay. When you break down our salaries by the number of hours that we work, a first-year resident is making little more than minimum wage.
The hospital released a response to this protest, stating they have offered a robust package that features substantial economic increases and no economic commitments. Among them is a 3-year contract with a year-over-year pay increase, increased housing and education stipends, and increased meal allowances. Sean and other residents are still not happy with the current contract.
Our housing stipend, was $6,000, and to compare, like UCLA is $12,000. We were looking for something comparable. What they've offered us at the last negotiation session was $8,000. So it's still very, very far away.
The residents have a no strike policy in their contract, so they will continue to take care of patients during all negotiations.